My dad sometimes drives me nuts. A great example is every year I had shown the same set of exercises. And then 6 months later we come back and he'd forget everything, tell me I didn't show him a thing, and that maybe I should do it. So we go through the exact same exercises and we repeat the routine for several years. Finally, we video him doing the exercises so he has a reference. I come back 6 months later and he's doing a completely different set again. I have no idea where he got these from, but they're absolutely the wrong exercises for his condition. I asked him about it and he tells me he got them from his friend Brian and they helped him out a lot. Which I'm sure they did because those exercises were specific for Brian's condition. But yet my dad was trying to do them and he was doing them wrong, so it really wasn't going to help him any. And this happens a lot in the office. People find something from here, maybe an old injury, they look something up on the internet, and they get a series of stuff that they do, but it's not exactly the right thing. So with my dad, we had to try and beat it back into his head that this is where you're at, you need to start with these exercises. When you progress, you can get to this set and this set. We're still 5 years later and working on it, but someday he'll start doing the right exercises for his condition and be consistent, and he'll start feeling better and better about it.